Here's Easton's avocado. Here's his first time eating food. Alright, baby. Let's give you a little bit. You ready? Can you open? Nope, look here. Can you eat that? Can you swallow? How is it? You want some more? Okay, ready? Open wide. He's not sure. You gotta swallow.
Nice job, Easton.
Do you want some more? Can I get that off your chin first? Okay, ready?
Yum.
Is that good? Yeah? Ready? Big mouth. Open! You so excited? Oh, that wasn't very big. He's watching you. Open wide. Uh-oh! That's not opening. Open wide. Oh, there you go. Oh, you didn't get any though. It's a nice pretty color coming back. Back out, huh? Stringy part. Open it. Are you distracted by the camera? Is it? You want some more? Open big! Oh! Give me some nice close shots of George. Are you ready? You gotta keep that on.